Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate the task 4.2 HD. Here on the web IDE, I have got the three LED lights defined, red, yellow and green. Then I'm setting those LEDs as output. So that's the four digital pin 4, 5 and 6. This is the function that I'm going to define on the particle. So we will see that on the particle dashboard. This is the key, the function name, and when this function is called, what should happen. So this is the method that we will write. Because we are not going to turn the LEDs on or off in the loop, we have left this empty. This method here will reset all the LEDs to low, or all the pins, digital pins, to low when we start the program. And this is the method. So this light signal is defined here, which will return an integer 1 or -1 depending on if it's successful or not, and it takes the string color as input. So if we pass red, green or yellow, so we can see here, depending on what color value we pass, it's going to turn the specific digital pin high. And here we can see that before we do anything, we are resetting all the pins to low, and then we return the value 1 if everything goes fine, otherwise we return the -1. So I have uploaded this to my particle device. We can see it's blinking here, and this is my setup: three lights, green, yellow and red, and it's connected to this particle device. My particle device is online, so if I go to the dashboard here, sorry, I forgot one more thing, that inside my method, whatever value that we are receiving, I'm going to publish that on my dashboard so I can see the logs. So here we will see what value we pass. At the moment there are no events. The function that we defined, we can see it here. So I'm just going to put red, and I'm going to call it. As soon as I press the call button, we can see that there is an event, red, and on the board we can see the red LED is on. I'm going to change that to green. Call. We can see here we have got the green event and the green LED is now on. The same thing can be done via the curl command, so I'm just going to turn that off and call. So now all the LEDs are off. We can evoke the same thing via the curl command here. So on the CLI, or on my command window, if I call this function, which is the curl command, which will call this particle device, and it has got my access token and everything, which I'm going to change after this video. And at the moment I have got the off argument. I'm just going to pass yellow argument and enter, and it's going to say that it connected true and it has returned the value 1. It has returned the value 1, and we can see that the green light is on. Okay, and same thing we can do that from the web page. So I have got this web page here. So depending on what light I choose, let me select green traffic light and switch light, and we can see it has turned the green light on. Also we can see the feedback here that the ID has returned the value 1 and it's connected. So I have to go back and I can select the red light and switch light, and we will see that the red light is now on. If I want to turn it off, stay off and switch light, and now everything is off. Right, so this is my code behind the web page. Thank you very much.